Health and community workers are a crucial point of contact for drug-related issues, information, and support. However, there is little support or education for these workers around current drug market trends and changes. Drug alerts about changes in unregulated drug markets can reduce harm by helping these workforces to anticipate, prevent, and respond to unusual drug events. In our study, Rapid Drug Alerts for Victoria, we set out to design a set of drug alert templates. We conducted 5 workshops with 31 workers across a diverse range of services in Victoria to help us co-design these templates. Through these workshops, we noted several recurring tensions between different preferences for what alerts should look like. We decided to explore 5 of these as important considerations when designing drug alerts.
1. Clear messaging.
It's important to consider how different audiences might receive the information. Participants told us that although alerts must be clear and concise, the messaging must also be relevant to and understandable by a range of different target audiences, each with their own knowledge levels and preferences.
2. Striking a balance.
Participants expressed that a constant influx of alerts could overwhelm people, affecting their ability to absorb and act upon the information. Nonetheless, different workers need different information. Strategies for sharing information should strike a balance between making it easily accessible and not overwhelming people.
3. Fostering trust.
Without a credible foundation, the effectiveness of an alert system could be undermined. Participants spoke of scepticism towards messages about drug-related dangers or risks due to stigma in the community, media sensationalism, and prohibitionist policy environments. They highlighted the importance of proactive efforts to counter these narratives and foster trust in the information provided.
4. Managing unintended consequences.
Participants expressed concerns about alerts inadvertently promoting substance use or advertising particular batches. However, alerts should also avoid exacerbating fear and stigma related to drugs and drug use. Considering the context and nuances of how alerts will be received by diverse audiences is a crucial step in preempting their impact.
5. Prioritise the consumer.
Although the scope of this project was to design alerts to help workers, participants in every session stressed that people who use drugs are the real target audience for this information. Consumer perspectives must be emphasised throughout the design process to ensure that alerts are relevant and effective in promoting safer practices and reducing harm. Initially, we hoped to create simple templates for drug alerts. But through this process, we learned that there is no one-size-fits-all solution. We hope that drawing attention to these complexities will help the sector develop drug communication products that lead to better health outcomes for consumers.